2010 Chevy Cobalt. Hit a deer on the way to work. Destroyed the front end here. So you can see, broke the headlight. It's in a million pieces. Shook it out onto the floor. Broke the bumper pretty good. I took that piece off already. Dented the fender in. I think we can just pull out. Some grinding, some banging. We can get the door to open up again. We're hitting until the far the door opens. We'll work on that. The other important thing is right now, task, is the radiator's leaking. It's got a hole in it right here. You can see AC got pushed in, and it's just nothing holding it. It actually broke off the part that goes into here, and it is leaking underneath pretty good. Car's worth fixing. It has 145,000 on it maybe. The motor jumped time at 130. I put a new motor in it for 600 bucks. Did that all by myself. So that's why it was so less expensive. Cheaper than a new car. So everybody thinks I'm crazy. So here we go. We're just gonna drill some small holes into this stuff. Hopefully we'll be able to zip tie it together. We'll see if that works. Save some money. All this stuff here needs zip tied. Headlight bracket needs replaced. 2 new headlights. And we already drained the coolant out. This to move, if it will. It's not going to. It'll be easier if we just take this off now. New one's here. Let's take this off. 10 milli. Never go wrong with 10 milli. You're usually right. As long as you don't lose it, like I did. Where's my 10 milli? There it is. 10 milli. Probably will. Just like that. Now we got some more room. That looks good. Seems about right. So that's the hose there. One more down there. Guess might as well just finish one side at a time. And we can go to the other side. See what's going on. And that one's done. See up under here. That's what we need to take off. That's what we're leaking. That hose right there off. So I got this side here out, but that's where it's broke. Is right where it connects into here. I don't see any way to get this out besides taking this off. It'll be 10 times easier. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, it's one bolt, probably a 10 milli. I already got it right here. Oh yeah. Let's take it out. That's my best bet. Pop it right out. And then have a beer for celebration. How about it? How about it? See if it comes out here. Come on. I'm gonna take this out, set it right there. Pull this off. So I got the hose disconnected up there. Now that I took that off, I think I'm going to take it off right there. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put this back on. This goes back on. Now, when I did this, when I changed the motor, I did put some grease on it, on them hoses, so they slipped off pretty nice and easy. They may not. I'm looking for my, right there, right here, this whole time. So, headlight really didn't need to come out, but I mean, I'm replacing it anyway, so this gives me all that much more room. I'm going to take this hose here off. There's a 10 millimeter bolt right down here that holds this AC on to this, then a clamp here. There's just 2 clamps over here. We're going to see if we can't get those off. There's another 10 millimeter one right there. Let's take it off. Nice and rusty. That's good. Well, pop loosed. for better or for worse. So the radiator's out. That's the AC. I had to take the fan off, which was just clipped in there, in order to get the radiator out. You can see it definitely not straight anymore. Definitely leaking. So we're ready to put the new radiator in here, I believe. Found out this is the air temperature sensor, so it just reads your outside temperature, displays on your dash, and it actually goes into the right behind the headlight onto the headlight mounting bracket. So not a big deal. I'm not too worried about it. We'll just throw it back in where it goes and be done. Okay, so radiator's in. Came up from the bottom. Got the fan connected. It was kind of a pain. Just slid it in on this side. Snapped it in there. Probably didn't see much of it because don't have anything to hold this thing, so it is what it is. Get the radiator back in there, and we'll have to see what we're gonna do with this thing. Good Lord. Look at that. Pops in. Can't pull that one out. So I lost all this here. This camera sucks. Time for a new one. Got it zipped out here, here. Just drilled some holes through this. There's already these holes here. Drilled a couple holes in this plastic here. Got that all nice and secure. Got this bumper here, nice and secure. So now I'm just gonna cut the pigtails off. I gotta get new lights, put the headlights in, put some coolant in, and we'll put that back together and run it, see if it gets hot, see if it leaks, go from there. So I'm just gonna cut these off and run to the store. So we're putting in headlight here. This is the wrong side. Right? Yeah, this is this side. I already have the old one on here, so we're just gonna use it. Nothing wrong with it at all. Cover that. So then stick our light in here. Twist it. Hit this with this wire brush here. Take this off. This is a new turn signal. Now this one is gonna be the one. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to get it in here, or if it is even going to go in here. Yeah, about as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna throw some electrical tape on. So I ended up losing a lot of footage for this. I was using an old camera. I got a new one now, but you've probably seen some new videos with the new one, but it kept overheating and I lost a bunch. But basically, we replaced the radiator, popped the fender out, zip tied the bumpers, and it's been running now. This video is probably about 2 months old now. I'm way behind on editing, but the car's been running good. I've had no problems, no overheating problems. Everything's been good. The headlights, best thing ever. A lot brighter than my old ones. But yeah, let me know if you guys think this car was worth fixing, and if you would fix it, or if you would have just bought a new one. And thanks for watching. If you made it this far, let me know.
I appreciate it.